Hi, I'm Matthew Pierce, and today I'm going to show you how to make a recipient list in Gmail. Now, the first thing you want to do is log into Gmail. Once you get in there, go over to this Gmail menu over here, do the pull down, go to Contacts. Then say, down here, click on New Group. Give it a name. Then you can go into your contact list, check who you want to be in that group. Then right here you've got this group button. Click on that, send it to My New Group, hit apply, and there you have a new group. So then you can click on the new group here, or actually when you want to send email to it, go to Gmail, click Compose, then you can type in the name of your group, My New Group. Try that again. My New Group. Then you can give it a subject. Some text. Hit send, and it will send it off to that group that you just made. And that group is your recipient list. That's how Gmail implements recipient lists, is with groups, just like I showed you. My name is Matt Pierce. Thanks for watching.